Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to use countif and sumif functions in Excel. So let's start now. In last video we did count A and count blank. So in this video let's see how to use countif now. So if you want to count number of entries in the selector range, we use countif function. I hope you know this. Now if you want to count specific value in the selected range, then use countif. Let me explain with the example. You see here I highlighted column city. Now this column has different values: Paro, Timpu and Punakha. So if I want to count all the values, I will use count, but here I want to count only the specific value Paro. I want to know how many entries are there for Paro. Okay, so if you want to count specific value, use countif in Excel. Let me show you how to use this. So put equal sign, then use the predefined function countif, open bracket. So now select the values, select the entire range. This is the first parameter, and comma, and in second parameter you are going to put the criteria. The criteria means what is the specific value you are looking for. So within double quotation I'm going to type here Paro. So note this, the countif contains two different parameters: first parameter range, second parameter criteria. So if the criteria is in text format, put it in the double quotation. If it's in number format, you can put with or without double quotation. Okay, so now I'm going to count Paro in this selector range. Okay, now let me press enter. So now here I'm getting 3. So only there are 3 entries in the selected range. Okay, let me explain with you another example. Now I want to find number of entries in south. Okay, so equals count if, open bracket, now south, here is the column, so select entire range, comma. So now here our criteria is south. So south is here text format, so use double quotation. Now close the bracket, enter. So I'm getting here 4. Let's count in our table. So 1 2 3 4, there are 4 entries. Okay, I hope now you understood how to use countif. So into countif, pass 2 parameters. Okay, let's move to next function. Next one is sumif. You know what is the use of sum function? We did in our previous video. The sum function is used to calculate sum in Excel. Okay, now sumif. So sumif, if you want to find sum only for the specific value, then use sumif. So here to count specific value we use countif. So if you want to find sum only for the specific value, then use sumif. So let me explain how to use sumif. So equals sumif, open bracket. You see here we have to pass 3 different parameters. First one is range. So I want to find sum only for Paro. So Paro is in here in column 4. So I'm going to select the entire range. Then comma. So now the criteria is Paro, comma. Now the third parameter here, sum range means select the values, sales values, because here we want to find the sum. So select the values. Now close the bracket. You see 3 parameters: first the range, comma, criteria, comma, then sum values. Close the bracket, enter. So here I'm getting the answer 1009. So if you count these 3 values, you will get 1009. Okay, let me explain with another example. So now I just want to find the sum for south. So use sum if open bracket, so select the entire range, comma, criteria south, comma, then sum range, select the values. Now close the bracket. Now enter. So I'm getting 1974. This is the value total sum for south. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. In my next video I will come up with a new topic. Have a nice day.